Of course, the next base ingredient is a hunk of good, healthy man. Now, Stuart, you realize a man is not absolutely necessary with today's technology. You can work miracles using a turkey basta and cryogenics. Stu, where do you find the perfect woman or man? There are few things worse than a man that can't stand up to a little pressure. You want to provide the right combination of pressure and then let it breathe for a minute. Have fun with it. I like to throw in a little humor and a generous helping of